What's going on? Back with another food review, y'all. Y'all see what we got going on today. Limited edition, brand new from Kit Kat, man. We got apple pie Kit Kat, y'all can see. Brand new apple pie Kit Kat. These drop. I think these supposed to drop. I think they out now. Actually, I think they dropping in this week, January or late June. But they out now, so I guess go get them. I guess. I guess they already dropped, but go get these, man. This is new from Kit Kat. It's a limited edition flavor apple pie. Apple pie Kit Kat, man. I saw these on IG or whatever. Obviously, man, I saw these on IG. Let's open this up. It's interesting. Apple pie Kit Kat. Interesting, very interesting flavor in my opinion, man. Very interesting to me. Of course, you know what a Kit Kat look like. Standard Kit Kat, you know, got that white look to it. It's really that apple. So let's try it, man. Let's see what this let's see what these are like, man. Let's see what these limited edition apple pie Kit Kats are. Mm. Good taste. Um, you taste the apple pie. It's a real good taste. I like the taste, man. Apple pie Kit Kat, what would I rate this? I'll probably give this a 9 out of 10, man. I actually like the taste. I love it when they, I love it when they bring out new things. I like it just to try different flavors and just different unique things and stuff like that. I'm a big fan of this type of stuff, man. I just like the different stuff. I like just different types of candies with new flavors. And Kit Kat need to bring back they had one they came out with a year or two ago, the strawberry. I think it was like strawberry, some kind of strawberry. I know they had like a strawberry flavor. They need to bring that one back. I know they had, what is it, pumpkin pie? I know they had like the pumpkin pie ones. They had some more. I think it was pumpkin pie. I don't know if I think that was Kit Kat who had that actually. Yeah, the pumpkin pie. Then they had like the cinnamon one for Christmas. They had those. Now we got this for the 4th of July. I guess July, the 4th of July, huh? We got apple pie, man. Something brand new, so go and get it. I recommend it. 9 out of 10. It tastes just like apple pie. So if you like apple pie, you probably might like these. But anyway, man, comment, like, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. Till next time, guys. Peace.